welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne and Selene. Now, watch as Selene reveals her new self, and Dwayne, asks her questions about what she will be doing in the future. So go ahead and watch the video, and thank you. Like, share, and subscribe now.
Yes. Show me again. Foot do my ear, do my dress them. Look at my dress. I'm not still up yet. The best
the best is yet to come, indeed. Indeed. I have one more question to ask you.
Yeah.
Like, hold on, me write down a few questions I want to ask you. So the other question is, moving forward, right? Moving forward, what are your plans? Moving forward, what do you have for what plans do you have for your Facebook moving forward? Like your own business page. What are your plans moving forward in terms of that the
every day with different things, new things. You understand? Ask God for insight, so God will lead me where He lead, I will follow. And Sunday, is God's day. So I have different. You understand? I have a lot of things in store. A lot of things. I'm not telling you, guys, it's a surprise. Like, when you see me, it's on Wednesday night. You understand? And now you see, it's a new me. You understand? I have surprise.
I would say most importantly, always be yourself, right? Don't make no one come in your life and try and change you, because the changing thing is only gonna push you to be someone you're not. We know, we as a collective, we know see a love God, right? Make your God day on a Sunday like how everyone else does. But Monday to Friday, just be you. Be the authentic you. People love you for you. And
that's what some of them hate me for, because I'm being myself. I can't be nobody else. That's why I am Selene. I'm different.
Amen.
You understand? I'm different. Today you come Selene, just trace and cuss you out. When you come, me just talk about God, I'm just worship God the next year. I mean that. Me not beg to nobody, because me can't have up nobody in my heart when doctor and the surgery, everybody I jump out of my heart. No, my heart too little.
I love that about you. Honestly, me feel like so when we grow up more and be like you, even though I know for a fact I don't hate nobody. Whatever they've done, they could do me the wickedest thing. Honest to God, slowly me carrying up hate in my heart towards people. It's just pointless, It's pointless. So I love what you just said about not having up people in your heart. That is the way we all as human beings should live our life. Yes, people can do you wrong, but it's how you move on from that wrong. Just be your that. Listen, just not have up nobody in your heart here, man. And the best, listen, your remedy and the best remedy. I'm gonna follow your remedy, and I hate that. I don't know if I'm making sense to you, but I'm making sense to me.
Some people start trouble with you, and when you start, you understand, them can't manage it. You understand? They just spin it around and say, you saw him make trouble, and you saw him make trouble, and then them start it. Understand? Well, old man, you understand? Named Derek. Him drop on my face for Instagram. No man, leg on my shirt. Leg on me.
Listen.
You understand? Come in, you know from them old man there. You understand? You understand? I want him to roll me out. You understand? Because him a beg on me, I beg you jealous of me. And the house you want, you can't get it. Because my sweat and tears, when I cry and kneel on for God, kneel on for me, and God help me get the house here. You can't get it.
Facts. Honestly, I'm so proud of the energy you're projecting to social media right now. It's an amazing way to jumpstart your Facebook experience. I would encourage you, just continue your journey. You are doing amazing, and from the bottom of my heart, I'm really proud to see where you've come from, where you're coming from. I'm proud of it. And only God can be the judge of all of us, you know, and all I can wish you is the absolute best in your social media journey. I know for a fact you are genuinely a really loving person, and I would encourage everyone on the page right now to follow you. When this live, even click on it now and go and follow her, guys. She is she needs all of your support, right? I know a lot of people say you're begging, you're this, you're that, and whatever. Well, right now, you're not begging, and you are in the right platform, so to speak, where you can potentially, at a point, earn your own money, long as the audience, support you to get you to that point. So, listen, guys, please follow her. I know a lot of you love, Ceylon, funny thing, you're like Mama, Mama, even people love you or hate you, them can't in between. Them have to choose a side and stick to it. But the ones who love her, guys, like me, I love her. Please follow her. Help her to kickstart her social media journey so she can get to a level where her page can truly be monetized, so she can start making her own money. And that way, when the guys say, "Oh, she not big no more," Slowly, I'm proud of you. Mobile enough, mobile.
Well, begging is good. God said, "Ask and it shall be given, knock and it shall be opened." By the God where we are going. And if God says so, beg, we get a house. Beg again, get clothes. Beg again, get money. Look for me here. Beg again, look for me hairstyle. Beg again, get clothes. And look for me face. Beg again, get makeup. So you see, beg it make sense. God said, "Ask and it shall be given." And if you have a problem, go in the Bible, go read it.
Oh my God. I know for a fact your brothers. I know for a fact some people from Brenner, they follow my page, and I know for a fact when they see this, they are going to be so proud to see how you've transformed into a beautiful swan. Because right now, that's the only way I can say you really are a beautiful swan. It only takes a little, just a little push to get you to where you are right now. And what would you say to them when they see this? What message do you have for them?
I would like to say to all you people out there who is watching, and if you are not watching today, you can watch it tomorrow. I'm saying good night to you, and this is the real Solani. You go back and I say, no, I'm gonna do it that way there, because you sometimes I look at and I say, yes, I say, yeah, but me, I feel just be me and just come out of the park. You understand? Me have to be me. So guys, I'm asking you to follow my page where I'm on the blue here, my business page. Follow me, guys. You won't regret it. I never let you know down yet, guys. Never. Because because me make a back with me agree back with you love me same way and say, all right, me forgive her. Yeah, because God said you must forgive each other. So the Bible will make us. So forgive me and
Amen.
follow me.
Amen.
You understand? And now yet let me know when you see what is going on, you don't have to follow me. Because when you say you hate me, you still live on my life. When you say you hate me, you still write comments. Eh? That means you don't hate me. I love me. You just confused.
Hey, I love how your eyelashes are just batting like a butterfly. Honestly, I feel